Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. And recently detailed, so it's nice and clean, but let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet. Then moving up, you do have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 79,336 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls with your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, trip mileage, trip timer, distance to empty, fuel economy. And you can look at your fuel economy separately, driver assistance settings, and then settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then above that, you have your traction control shutoff, hazards, and your auto start stop shutoff. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, little cubby there, and you have an aftermarket trailer brake controller installed as well. Then on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet. And moving down below, you have another 12-volt with your USB and a little compartment here where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul and sport mode buttons at the end of the stock. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that, you even have another compartment with flip out cup holders like so, and plenty of room so you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wacky. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.